be unboxing a Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. So, the significance of this device is, it was the second device I ever unboxed on my channel. If I can find the video, shouldn't be that long ago because that video was 2017. I know, Rock and Roll King. My channel, videos, uploaded oldest. Oh, never mind. That was my first video, the Echo unboxing. So let me quickly show you guys what I mean. Echo Dot. That was the 2nd generation that I unboxed. So if I were to click on that, that's the first video I've ever uploaded.
Hey guys, so today I have a new unboxing for you.
Back then I used this camera, the camera on this iPhone 6s. So then we have my most popular video with 9.4 thousand views. Well, it's backwards for you guys. Well, that's how it's showing up on the camera. And if you see right here, oh, back camera. This right here is the camera I'm filming with, the Sony Handycam. If I were to click a pic of it. So this thing actually has a flash on it, so let's click on. So basically I could take a photo and then I could show you the photo of the camera. That right there is the Sony Handycam. This thing's front camera is actually going bad because of how old it is. But now let's get back to the main device, the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. Ow! That actually hurt. Okay, so we pull it out of the box. Voila! And we've gotten the device right here beautifully wrapped up. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Also, if you've noticed, we have a major upgrade to our studio. Yeah, we got a new light installed, which can change colors and is connected to my Google Home. And no, this is not replacing my Google Home. This goes in the basement. Okay, so let's pull up the tab. Oh, this is way harder to pull up, especially in the new version. Okay, let's zoom in on the peeling of tape. I don't know why YouTubers do that, but like me. Oh, by the way, if you have Dolby speakers, then the audio will play better. Because this is a Dolby microphone, so, and a Dolby speaker on the camera, so. And it's harder to pull. Done. So let's zoom out. Zooming in. Wait. Zooming out. Okay. We have the little tape that, well, I kind of care about. Not really. And pull up. Oh! Inside, we have the first important thing, the Echo. So, this right here is the Echo. It is the, wait, what was this color called? I think it was charcoal. I forget, what color was this? But this is just a grayish color. Far-field voice control. Yeah, it may not show up as gray to you guys. So, right here, the pull tab, which we must pull. We must pull on camera. And it does not want to come off. Or is it the other way? Can I even get this off? Alexa does not want to be opened. Oh, that's where you peel it off. It's at the bottom. That was nice. And we have, voila, the device. So on the top we have the basic button. Oh wait, nope, this is the top. So on the top we have the basic buttons, the Alexa listen button, the do not disturb, volume up and volume down. Oh wait, one thing that I've already noticed, that I just now noticed, the buttons are kind of embroidered and they're kind of they kind of bubble up for a feel. Now after that, we have Echo Dot, the manual. Then we have Echo Dot, the manual. Things to try, I meant. And then here we have underneath the flap a charger brick, which is 15 wattages. It's taking me ages to learn how to say that. Okay, that was a very cheesy joke, and it wasn't even that funny. Actually, I don't even think it was funny. Oh. So to put all the manuals and stuff inside. Okay, and then where did the tape go? I wanted to put it back in there for no waste in my room the studio after it just got cleaned. Okay, after that, we have all charger brick and Alexa. Let's plug it in. Okay, so first of all, there's this plastic protector on the brick too. Should I take it off? Just for the video to be more satisfying, I'll peel it off. I really do not want to do, but here it goes. Oh god, it's stuck again. This is stuck too. How many things are gonna get stuck on this channel? Like printer video, I got stuck because I said the wrong thing, which is I think why I'm getting so many views. I think people are trying to meme it. Okay, peel it off. Do I have to peel the other side off too? Okay. Oh my god, that looks so good. Hold on, I'm getting fingerprints on it. Okay, let's head it down. Plastic inside. Oh, that's where the tape was. Put the plastic of it inside. Okay, getting the adapter out. I mean the tape for the adapter in there. Now to put the manuals back in. I can't wait to power this Echo up. How many times do I have to take these things out? Because I forgot to put it in the cable wrap. And now it's just a loose cable. So then we have the Echo itself. Oh no. I think I'm getting too many fingerprints on it. Is this cable that small? Okay, so, yep. And also this has an audio jack on it, so plug in a bigger, better boombox if you want. Speaker. And voila. Connected to power. Ooh, a new animation. Okay. Now Alexa has a
Hello.
new noise.
Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So that's it. Alexa doesn't want to respond.
This device is ready for setup. Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.